guys, today I am here with Jimmy Shergill and director Amitabh Singh for their upcoming movie Shortcut Safari. So let's start with Jimmy first. Hello Jimmy.
Hello, ma'am.
So we would like to know more about this movie Shortcut Safari.
Shortcut Safari is releasing tomorrow. It's a film which mainly has the kids as the main protagonist of the film. And it's a film basically about the adventure of these kids who get lost in real life jungle, who are basically from the cities, who have never encountered a jungle before and the wildlife before. It's a first time thing, the idea being that when you also as an audience go and watch the film, it'll be a first time encounter of yours also with the jungle and the wildlife and everything like that. This film also has a huge message which we can relate to in day-to-day life. आज की डेट में जो हमारे साथ हो रहा है नेचर को लेके, एनवायरनमेंट को लेके, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग को लेके, किस तरीके से पेड़ पौधे, पशु पक्षी किस तरीके से हमारी लाइफ को अफेक्ट करते हैं और नियर फ्यूचर में करने वाले हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें एक एडवेंचर के थ्रू कहीं ना कहीं आपको समझ में आएंगी इस फिल्म के अंदर. प्रैक्टिकली आप उन चीज़ों को देख पाएंगे और एक ऐसी फिल्म जिसको आप अपने बच्चों के साथ एंजॉय करके बाहर निकलेंगे.
Well Jimmy, what is your character? As we saw you as the king of the jungle. So what is your character basically?
मेरा किरदार एक, जब आप पहली बार इसको फिल्म में देखेंगे जिस पॉइंट पे ये आता है, वो एक ऐसा किरदार जो कि आपको लगेगा यार ये रियल है कि नहीं है, कि कहाँ से आ गया है, या कोई फरिश्ता है या कोई बहुत नेगेटिव टाइप का कुछ है. वो चीज़ एक रहने वाली है जो जैसे धीरे धीरे करके फिल्म आगे जाती है तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये आदमी वहाँ पे क्यों है और कैसे है.
So how was your experience with kids?
Oh, brilliant experience. Had a great time with the kids and they've all done such an amazing job in the film. And I think all of them deserve to be watched in this movie because इनके थ्रू आप चाहे पेरेंट्स हों चाहे बच्चे हों, इनके थ्रू उस सफारी को जीने वाले हैं. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं आप एज ए छोटी बच्ची आप सोचेंगे वो लड़की शायद, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं ये जितने भी बच्चे हैं इनके सबके कैरेक्टर्स अलग हैं. शायद कुछ कैरेक्टर्स की आपस में बनती नहीं है और किस तरीके से इस जर्नी के बाद वो एक दूसरे को समझना शुरू करते हैं, क्या करते हैं. तो वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, वो सारा कुछ, तो हर बच्चे के लिए एक कैरेक्टर होगा कि मैं इसके साथ रिलेट कर सकता हूँ. तो ये जो इसके साथ जो हो रहा है, ये यहाँ से जानवर आ रहे हैं, ये डर रहा है या ये नहीं डर रहा है या ये हो रहा है, वो मैं हूँ, उस टाइप का मैं हूँ. तो हर बच्चा रिलेट कर पाएगा और हर पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे के लिए रिलेट कर पाएगा.
After all the award-winning movies, how have you chosen this environment-based, concept?
Because I believe that it is the burning need of the hour, and as responsible citizens and as responsible filmmakers, we should now start talking about this in whatever way and capacity that we have. You see, we have certain skills with us, and if you would look at the body of work which I have almost always tried to apply my skills to a cause which is relevant for society. I feel that today we need to speak about environment, and especially with children.
So what can we expect your upcoming concepts?
It's too early to say right now. We are working on a few ideas, but right now a lot of my time and energy is going into Shortcut Safari.
Wish you all the best regarding the movie.
Thank you.
Well, Jimmy, what would you like to say to the fans about this movie?
Well, I would want to request all the parents to make sure that you take your kids to watch this film. It's releasing tomorrow. And I would also request all the kids to take your parents to watch this film because both of you together is what is going. I mean, basically together when you go, you'll watch a whole lot of things, adventure, everything. And also at the same time, there'll be a huge message which is told in a very adventurous way. So please go watch Shortcut Safari. Thank you so much.